Now here's what I call a fail in automotive repair. This is my 1997 Infiniti i30. Yesterday it was taken to a shop to get the exhaust fixed and the front two CV axles. Exhaust fixed. Rear muffler was supposed to be replaced. It just got welded. We were charged for replacing it anyways, even though it wasn't replaced. Now what? CV axles. They were replaced. Problem is, on both sides, on the axle, they forgot the cotter pins. On this side, the axle nut wasn't even on. We moved the car today, and then I heard it. I opened the cover up. The axle nut was just sitting right there, loose. It wasn't even on the shaft at all. If I could try to open this for you guys. Yeah. Axle nut. Turns with hands. This along with the washer back here are just sitting like that. Here's the hole for the cotter pin. They did not put in a cotter pin. The same on the other side. The other side's axle nut is tight. Or at least it looks like it. I haven't really checked it. But yeah, we drove the car home yesterday. I was making some weird noises in the front and still making some weird noises. We're gonna get it back to the shop on Monday and ask them what the hell do they do. Yeah, both sides need cotter pins, and because that one was loose and was flopping around, it was triggering the ABS light. I'll show you guys that real quickly. ABS light right there. Of course, a regular door open, seatbelt light, but yeah, ABS light. Now, when we left the shop, we started it up, it was there. Told the people back inside, they said that since the axles were replaced with the battery still connected, that means that triggered the ABS light. They said that within 3 cycles of turning the car on and off, light would go away. The car's been turned on and off about 7 times. But I'm pretty sure that's just because of the axle nut was loose, and so then like the shaft, like, you know, the threads, okay, CB boot thread at the end goes into the wheel assembly, wheel bearing. That part, right, flopping around because of the bolt wasn't in there. So that's probably why the ABS light's still on. We might, yeah, we're just gonna take it there, get that checked. Rear tires were replaced, but they weren't tread. Really, there's only 30% tread left on these tires. This wheel right here. Open this up and show you guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait, what? Yeah, they left out one of the nuts. And these rooms were mismatched. This wheel was on the other side. That wheel was on this side. That created a lot of wobbling. I just switched the wheels, jacked it up, pull off that side, put it on this one, pull off the other side, put it on that one. Now there's no more wobbling. But yeah, pretty much the muffler was supposed to get replaced, but they said that it was good except for a little leak, so they welded that up. But I'll give you guys a bit of a listen real quickly. I'm not sure if you can pick that up or not, but it's still leaking. And they welded it on the top, but they charged us for replacing it. I'm not sure why. I tried talking to them. They were just all like, okay, fine. If the muffler has any more problems, take it back, we'll just replace it. Free of charge. And I told my dad, take it to the shop, cuss them out for getting nuts and cotter pins, mismatching the rims, giving us crappy tires, and charging $600 for all that work. Not worth it. The mechanic that we took it to, they're a really good mechanic. We've gone to them plenty of times and they've done pretty good work. But this time, not that great of an experience. So we're not exactly sure whether or not to go to them or not. But Monday, car's going back to the shop. Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday, I'm not sure. Car's going to go back to the shop. My dad's gonna complain to them for doing such a crap job while charging so much money. Yeah, try to get things straightened out. That's a good thing that I noticed that the nut there was missing, because if anybody drove this on the highway, the axle would have separated from the wheel. Destroying the axle, destroying the wheel, destroying much more other things. Car would need to be towed. Yeah, I'll keep you guys updated on this car. I'm just glad that it's a whole lot quieter now. Alright, peace out, guys.